So today I wanted to review my UV LED lamp. I'm happy that I finally got one. You know I love my acrylics, and yes, we're still going to be about that acrylic life all day. But right now I have to go ahead and review this because I want to start experimenting with gels, okay? So I have this Smart Nail 2.0 Sun UV LED/UV lamp. So it's both, and it says that it's non-harmful, non-blackening, and of course it's a UV/LED light. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up so that we can see what comes inside of it and get this tested. Now, just so that you know, I did get this from Amazon, and I will put the description links in the description below to where you can get this from yourself as well, as always. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay, so now we have our LED lamp unboxed. I also have our instruction manual right here, so I'm gonna read some of that, and then I also wanted to point out a few points on here. It says that it's a smart painless builder / hard gel curing, smart double speed curing, smart time memory function, smart sensor, smart digital time display, and smart over temperature protection. So when we look at this, first we can see this looks pretty nice. I don't know if y'all can see back here, but let me zoom in. You can see we have the 10 seconds, 30, 60, and 99, and this is the one that it says that it starts gradually to reduce pain. So this is my first time using the UV LED, so if y'all know what kind of pain stuff this thing is talking about, please share and comment below. Inside we can see where the LED/UV lights are at, so you can see how many of those are in there. And I'm not gonna put it on because it says that you should limit exposure to the skin. It also says do not look directly into the light. Okay, so we're ready to go, and y'all please ignore my nails because they're not finished because I needed to unbox this LED light before I could do my tutorial. But yeah, so I think this looks pretty cool. It says that how to use it. I'm just gonna read the instructions really quick, but we're gonna do a quick tutorial because I've been wanting this to apply my bling. So it says to to put it on and off, we can push any one of those little 30-second buttons. After the machine start, you pick which one that you want. It also explains the difference between the low heat mode and the other modes. And basically that's it, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I do have some other products that I'm gonna be using that I got from naillight.com, and I have a lot of videos coming, y'all. I'm kind of off to, I don't want to say a slow start in 2018 because I'm not, but I just kind of got some stuff going on. But I have a lot of videos that I have lined up to go ahead and record. So from Naillight, I got some of my new products. I never used them before, so this is going to be my first time testing out Naillight. And again, I am going to put their website information in the description below. If y'all have ordered things from Naillight, please feel free to share your experiences with me and let me know what cool products are really good to order from their site. Even though I do have some stuff that I got, I do have a mini Naillight haul coming, as I said earlier. But anyways, I'm going to be using this Naillight Stone Stick and High Gloss Tackless Sealer UV No Cleanse Top Coat to try to apply my charms today. So I'm not going to do a full tutorial on this video, but I am going to test this out at least on a couple of nails or so. Okay, so y'all forgive me because I have my money nail tutorial coming, and I probably were going to post that tutorial before I post this just to not spoil the tutorial. But I did these nails probably, like, I'm not even going to lie, like 4 days ago now. Or yeah, probably about 4 or 5 days ago, and I've been wanting to do this part, but I just didn't open my LED light. So what I'm gonna do, I also ordered some gel brushes from Naillight, and I'm gonna use one of these brushes to go ahead and apply my stone stick, and then I'm gonna apply my tackless top coat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my charms on my nails. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my nail stone stick. And it's very thick. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm going to go ahead and test this out. And we're going to start with this nail right here. So the stone stick is very thick. Try not to make a mess with it. I have to say I do love the consistency of this. This is very thick. Thick enough that I know this will work. Like, this looks like I'm not gonna have any issues with any stones coming off. Even though my little super glue method, I've mastered the super glue method, but I've been wanting to try this really bad, especially since I love to use nail bling, because if this works really well, then I can use bigger charms and not have to worry about anything. So now that we have our stone stick applied, I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of the Tactless UV Sealer top coat over it. And this is just a little technique that I'm testing. I love how shiny it is already though. This is one reason also that I wanted to get gel, start using gel, because I just really love that high gloss look. So that looks awesome. So now I'm gonna be quiet and just go ahead and apply these stones. Down, I have it curing. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm just curing it for 60 seconds, even though the stone stick says 2 minutes. I just want to see how this works, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's my first time using it. I really like the gel machine. I only cured it for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other nails that I'm gonna put stones on, and then cure it as well. Probably do like a full just cure again after I put my top coat and all that. But I love this machine. It works really well. It's a lot of space. It kind of looks like I could slide both hands. Oh, that's something else I forgot to mention. Another thing that I forgot to mention is, yeah, when you put your hands in there, it automatically will start also. That's another thing that I forgot to say. But yes, I love the machine. I think it did a great job on my nails. I also love my nail light gel stuff so far. I'm really excited about this gel stuff, y'all. I might start looking into doing full gel acrylic nails, even though I'm still gonna be sticking with my acrylic, best believe that. But I do want to just start dabbling with gel a little bit more. But yes, that's how it came out with the stone stick. And it's very easy. One thing that I can say that I like about this method is that I don't have to move, like, it doesn't move the stones around. I mean, you can move the stones around before you cure it. Usually when you use super glue, you have to be one and done with it. But with the gel, I love it because I can move the stones and get everything in place before I go ahead and cure it. So yeah. So I finally used my new SUNUV, and this is the 2.0 smart nail lamp to do my nails. So if you like these nails, make sure that you check out my new money, new year nail tutorial. I absolutely love them. Now I'm going to let y'all know I am absolutely in love with this lamp. I love it. Now let me turn it around because I do want to show y'all that you really could put 2 hands in there. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is big enough to do a whole set. So that's one thing that I love about this. But I was doing one nail at a time. You can flash cure, like you don't even have to push a setting. You can just put your nail in the lamp and then it'll start doing a count up to see how long you did it. So I'm in love with this. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Ladies, oh my goodness, like I'm so happy because I can get like the gloss that I've always been looking for with gel. So like I said, I'm still gonna be using acrylic to do my nails, but I'm going to be starting to use a lot of gel polishes, especially at least a clear coat, and I'm also going to be using that nail stick stone to do the stone. So like I said, I'm going to put the instructions below to the products that I used in this video, even from naillight.com, for y'all to check it out. But I must say I'm in love with this lamp, and I give this lamp 5 stars out of 5. No, on a scale from 1 to 5, I would literally rate this a 6. Like, I'm not trying to be extra, just super excited, and it's very easy to use. You know, I didn't know what to expect. It took me a couple weeks to use because I was like kind of nervous about it. Very easy to use. It cures quickly. Now that I'm used to using it, if I do a flash cure, it only takes like, honestly, like 10 seconds for the gel to cure. So I was doing flash cures because when you use the nail stick, the stones move around or whatever. But that's why I was doing the flash cures until I finished the whole nail, and then I did like a whole nother 60 seconds when I was completely done. But I love this, and I hope that y'all like it, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy New Year. I'll talk to y'all later, and I love y'all. Peace.